Super Galactic is an insanely good game that garnered quite a large audience to UFO Gaming. The industry in which this company lies is the VR industry, and the market and potential for growth that it comes with is massive. So let's look at a few things you can expect from UFO Gaming from whatever is left of this year. Hello guys, and welcome back to another video on our channel. In today's video, we shall be taking a look at UFO Gaming and forecasting what we can expect from it by the end of this year. We'll also be conducting a price analysis of UFO Gaming's performance this year and also taking a look at what we can expect from it next year. A little bit about UFO Gaming. It is a platform that's trying to bridge the gap between traditional gaming platforms and virtual gaming platforms while simultaneously including the decentralization feature. Its main utility token is UFO, and this is what the users will exchange in return for assets. Blockchain gaming is currently trending ever since CryptoGalaxy was out, and now plenty of companies out there are trying to mimic the concept. The AR and VR industry is worth billions, and as we go ahead in time, the industry may turn into a trillion-dollar industry as well. Back to UFO Gaming, the products that it provides come with unique features such as DeFi, NFTs, and other blockchain products. This gives them a competitive advantage over the competitors. A few more features may be released shortly by the end of this year or the beginning of the new year. Having a P2E feature on board gives its users the benefit of monetizing the services used while having fun. Being able to make money and have fun on the same platform has been one of the most mind-blowing ideas to ever come to life in recent times. NFTs have become everyone's favorite, and people are ready to go on any length to get their hands on their favorite NFTs. With transparency and security being major features of NFTs, people are willing to invest in them all the more. UFO Gaming is built on the Ethereum network, which makes it all the more trustable. Ethereum, too, is expected to undergo some development soon, and this too would help boost UFO Gaming in terms of its performance. UFO Gaming integrated itself with Immutable X quite recently, and it undertaking a similar development soon can be expected. Another great feature about UFO Gaming is how it mints its tokens on its platform. The minting of the Origin UFO apps take place during a Cosmos event that takes place from time to time, and here, some of the rarest NFTs are put out there. It is quite a moment for the fans to go gaga during such events. Though the P2E feature on the platform is quite great, we can expect further development in that arena to be made as well. The UFO Gaming system comes with 3 tokens, namely Plasma Points, UAP, and UFO. This helps UFO Gaming create an internal economy that makes sure that the financial flow is infinite. Though UFO is the primary token, Plasma Points work great during staking, and UAP helps breed soldiers by completing missions in the game. The main issue that the game is facing now is that it has collaborated with traditional games, and bridging the gap between them and virtual games has not been very easy. Partnerships have always helped in the growth of the companies, and the best example to back this fact up is when Neo Blockchain collaborated with UFO Gaming. The token rose by 30% in a 24-hour trading period, which is quite impressive. UFO Gaming is looking to make further partnerships that would help increase its performance and status amongst the competition. Though we're not sure if any partnership will take place this year, UFO Gaming may truly surprise us on this one. This will definitely affect its price quite positively as well. Speaking of price, let's take a look at UFO Gaming's price prediction for this year. According to Digital Coin Price, UFO Gaming's price is expected to touch $0.0000479. It has also been predicted that in 2023, the price could go up to $0.0000541. By the end of the decade, UFO Gaming may touch $0.0000170 according to them. PricePrediction.com have stated that the average price of UFO Gaming would reach $0.0000503 by the end of 2022, with Wallet Investor has stated that UFO token could drop in value to $0.0000284 within the year, claiming it to be a bad investment. But with inflation and the crypto crash still being a reality in the industry, we can't understand from what angle this prediction was being made. As of now, UFO Gaming has come out with just one game, which may leave many skeptical about the authenticity and planning of this platform. But if you take a look at the details of the game, it is pretty evident that this one game itself represents so much quality that it can back up the authenticity of the company. The game has garnered a huge audience, and with its many partnerships coming up one after another, things are looking quite great for UFO Gaming. Furthermore, the in-game assets that come with the game are further expected to improve sometime this year or next year. In fact, UFO Gaming is said to come out with plenty more games. Just that it's uncertain if that'll happen now or sometime later in the future. The final black hole integration is also taking place this year. making it reach quite a milestone for the company. This would be quite huge for UFO Gaming, as it would come with quite a few features including fractal metaverse decks, game studio partnerships, additional Tier 1 exchanges, as well as the launch of the Dark Metaverse. Though some of them have been released, we can expect further developments as well. Updates on what is happening in the world of UFO Gaming are constantly put up on various social media pages of the company. Twitter and Instagram are the main pages on which they engage with the fans and audience. But we must also keep in mind that we're still recovering from the crypto crash, and the market going through a relapse is quite possible. The market is highly volatile, and with inflation being another factor dragging down the performance of the price of the token, things could go bearish. Only time will reveal the truth about this. It is also important to note that UFO Gaming is quite new to the metaverse and the VR industry, and due to it being in its infant stage, it still has a lot of growing to do. But the competition is going to get rough and tough, and it's important for UFO Gaming to keep up with the latest trends and happenings on this platform. In terms of its development, UFO Gaming has exceeded the expectations of many, leading to it even being called the next Axie Infinity. Apart from that, UFO Gaming is great at strategizing and marketing, and due to this was able to cross the $1 billion market cap last year. This has been quite a commendable milestone that they have crossed in such a short span of time in the industry. The alpha version of the game came out a while back, and people are waiting for the beta version of the game to come out soon. Though no official announcement about it has been made yet, there's a chance that it could come out at the end of this year or next year. The number of protocols that the company follows is adopted regularly, thus keeping them on the right track. They have a huge fan base from all over the earth, and this is something that was only possible all thanks to the company's big efforts in trying to make this project big. Many have been asking the big question of whether UFO Gaming could reach $1 by the end of this year, but the likelihood of that happening is quite low. For such a thing to happen, an extremely bullish market has to be observed, and the chance of that happening is quite low too. If all this hype around UFO Gaming has intrigued you and you wish to invest in the platform, do try doing so using the KuCoin or Gate.io platforms. What are your thoughts on UFO Gaming and its current stance in the market? Do you have investments made in UFO Gaming? What other improvements in UFO Gaming do you think should be worked upon? Do let us know in the comments section below. With that, we come to the end of today's video. Do like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon. See you soon!